Hi, my name is Derek Bonn from St. Louis, Missouri, and I'm extremely excited and happy to be joining the Collision Drumstick family of artists. I finally found the sticks that are perfect for me. I've been playing the drums for over 30 years now, and I've tried all the major brands out there. When I first picked up a pair of Collision 5As, I could immediately tell a difference, and after a short time, realized just how amazing these sticks are. Not only are these 5As about a tip length longer than your average stick, they're actually lighter to the touch, allowing me to connect every time and move around the kit more effortlessly, especially during fast tempos. They're built tough and are more resistant to breaking. I've really put them to the test and they just last longer. With a wide variety of sizes available, Collision is a solid choice for any level of player. I'd also like to express just how great the Collision's customer service team has been. They're always there if you need anything, and they work very closely with their artists to build long-lasting relationships. So impact your sound with Collision Drumsticks. You won't regret it. I'm currently playing in the band Nest, based out of St. Louis, and the song I'm about to play for you now is a heavy metal classic from Sepultura entitled Roots, Bloody Roots. It's one of my favorites, and it's a lot of fun to play. I'll be using the Collision 5As on this song, so enjoy.